How to disable startup apps in Windows 10 or 11. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily disable startup apps in Windows 10 or 11. So first thing, just head over to the search bar and simply search in for taskbar task manager. Once you search in for task manager, just hit the enter and you will be seeing this screen. So now all you gotta do is just click on this startup option right at the top of your navigation bar. So simply tap on this startup options and just locate the any applications which are enabled and are consuming high startup or high memory usage on your PC or laptop. So let me just quickly locate it. So as you can see, I've disabled most of the applications by myself. So if you have any on disabled applications, you can simply right click on it and then simply hit the disable button just like this to simply disable that high memory consuming applications just like that. So your PC can be fast when you are using. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.